It's Mr. Crazy Hamsters here, and well, we're showing you our Nerf guns. Right,
I didn't say my name.
this BMX on Max too. Just standing next to me that way. Yeah, right, that's him, right. Yeah, so this BMX is 100 maxes.
I don't have a scope. Well,
Did you not even get a scope?
Yeah, I did get a scope with it, but I didn't
You
bring
do
it.
know that bit goes up.
Oh!
So yeah, it's just like,
Can I shoot mine?
yeah. And that's mine, if you saw the thing. So let's just see if I didn't even see that.
Was it Death Vest?
Yeah, it was Ed Fest. Right, so I was kinda wanting to talk and do a video kind of thing.
Look at the wall.
Right.
3D person.
Third person. So yeah, so this one's mine. And you can look down the side.
Is it
Pretty
loaded?
cool. Yeah. And then that's
Their
good.
ones are beast.
Okay, you should if you like don't know what to like if you got money and then you like
Don't know
in a
what to spend it on.
shop and then
This is an
This-
advertisement for it.
yeah, you really should get one. But yeah, this is the Recon CS6.
Yes.
That's mine.
Hey.
That's mine. Yours is on the floor. Right. That's the bullets to shoot, the wee one with the red one.
I think I've lost some.
There'll be one in your... There's two right there. So, this is the bullets it shoots. These wee things. It's pretty cool. That's mine!
Orange? But you get...
Look at that! Keeps on trying to steal it! It's mine, right. So, wee bit down there.
Whoa. That's the way it's supposed to
Aha, you can actually see down there. So yeah, we might do like another video today. So we just kind of wanted to talk.
No, I've not got any other anyway.
Right, so yeah. Bye. Really? See ya.
But